Walmart Spark Driver. Insurance claims depend on the type of incident, the coverage involved, and the information available when the claim is reported. By the end, you'll know what information to collect after an incident, how to start a claim review, and what steps can help avoid delays during the process. The first thing to do after an accident or delivery-related issue is document what happened. Record the date, location, people involved, and details about the situation while the information is still clear. If another person, vehicle, or property is involved, collect the necessary contact and insurance details. Photos of the scene, vehicle damage, or other relevant information can help explain what occurred. The next step is reporting the incident through the correct process. The steps can vary depending on whether the issue involves a vehicle accident, customer property, personal injury, or another type of claim. When you report a claim, provide accurate information and avoid leaving out important details. Incomplete information can make the review process take longer because additional details may be needed. Keep copies of any documents connected to the incident. This can include photos, repair estimates, messages, reports, and any claim-related communication. One common mistake is waiting too long to report a problem. Reporting an incident as soon as possible helps create a clear record of what happened and allows the review process to begin. Another mistake is assuming every situation is handled the same way. Coverage and claim decisions depend on the specific circumstances of the incident and the applicable insurance terms. If your claim is still being reviewed, check for updates and respond to any requests for more information. Providing requested details quickly can help prevent unnecessary delays. If you disagree with a claim decision, review the information you received and follow the available process for asking questions or requesting further review. The main points are simple. First, document every detail after an incident. Second, report the issue through the correct channel and provide accurate information. Third, keep all records until the claim process is complete. Your next step is to review your Spark Driver account information, understand the available support options, and save important documents before you need them. If this guide helped you understand the Spark Driver insurance claim process, like the video and subscribe for more practical driver app guides.